Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.10, Problem 6. This is Section 2.10, Problem 6. It says use the symbols less than or greater than to indicate which fraction is larger and which fraction is smaller. And we have fractions of 5/7 and 7/5. So we have the same numbers, but what's the numerator and denominator have been swapped. So which one is bigger would be determined by finding common denominators. So I have denominators of 7 and 5, so a good common denominator is 35. 7 and 5 both divide into 35 evenly. So now looking at the denominator, 7 times some value became 35. Well, it must have been 7 times 5. So the numerator would be multiplied times the same value. I'd have 5 times 5, which is 25. 5 times 5 is 25. Now for the other fraction, look at the numerators. 5 times some value became 35. It must have been times 7. 5 times 7 is 35. So the numerator would also be multiplied times 7. So I'd have 7 times 7. 7 times 7 is 49. Now I ask myself, what's bigger, 25 over 35 or 49 over 35? Well, of course, the 49 over 35 is bigger. That came from the 7/5. So the inequality symbol is written with the open end towards the 7/5.